Right, good afternoon, class. We're looking at Euclidean Geometry, exercise 9.4. You have to do numbers 1 to 4, correct? Let's pick this up here. Alright, exercise 9.4 is on page 280 or 290? 293. This is numbers 1 to 4, no? This is what you have to do for homework. Right, so at this point we spoke about angles in the same segment, correct? Right. Okay, the full lesson can be found in the description box below. Right, in 9.4 we're given chord AC and BD intersect at E. Then we are told that BA and CD are drawn. Angle B is 53 degrees and angle E2 is 67 degrees. Calculate the size of angle C. Calculate the size of angle C. Let me just align the board quickly. Not playing games with myself. It's orientated. Right. So, angle C. People, angle C is the same as angle B. So, angle C is going to be 53 degrees. Why? Angles in the same segment. And it's coming from arc AD. You see AD is subtending angle B and AD is also subtending angle C. Okay. It's arc AD. We don't have to say the spot, okay? So there is now 53 degrees. D. How do you calculate D? Sum of triangles there. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 53 minus 67. Why? Sum of triangles, and it's triangle CED. Not so. So that gives you an answer of 60 degrees. Then they want angle A. We'll calculate A. A is the same as angle D. Why? As you can see here, BC is subtending angle A and BC is also subtending angle D. Can you see that? So we say angle A is 60 degrees. Why? Angle in semicircle. And it's coming from arc BC.
Angle in semicircle.
No, not semicircle. Same segment. Sorry, man. Angle in same segment is coming from arc BC. Do you guys understand? Alright, so you guys are correcting me now already. So some of you are understanding what's going on. Nice. People, let's look at number 2. Given chord AC and BD, AC and BD intersect at E. Then we are told that BA and CD are drawn. Angle A is 34 degrees and angle C is 48 degrees. Calculate the size of angle E3. I'm going to calculate E3. E3 is the exterior angle of this triangle, not so. So exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposites. Not so. So what angle am I shorting? D. However, we know that angle D is also the same as angle A. Why? Angles in the same segment. Not so. Can you see a BC is subtending angle A? BC is also subtending angle D. Can you see that? The big D, 34 degrees. Why? Angles in same segment. And it's coming from arc BC. So I put 34 here. Now what? Angle E3 is equal to 48 degrees plus 34. Why? It's exterior angle of triangle. The exterior angle of triangle, CE. Again, I don't have to say that. Okay. So that gives you a whopping 82 degrees. You guys understand? Any confusion? Easy, no? Grade 11 geometry is definitely easier than grade 10. No? You all agree with that?
Only for now, sir.
This is how easy it stays. Geometry don't get hard. Right, number 3. Chord AC and BD intersect at E. BC is drawn parallel to AD. Angle B is 29 degrees. Prove that AE is equal to ED. You must prove that, okay? People, if these lengths were equal, what can you conclude? That angle A is equal to angle D. If it was given equal. Alright. Right. Yeah, your phone just went off now. Right. People, so if these, okay, settle down. If these lengths were equal, then angle A would have been equal to angle D. Not so. Now to prove that these lengths are equal, we're going to prove that angle A is equal to angle D. We're going to work the reversal. You guys understand? So if we can prove that angle A is equal to angle D, we've done the job. Okay. So which angle can we determine first? D. D is 29 degrees. Why? Alternate angle C. Not alternative, no. Alternate. Okay. So it's alternate angles with BC being parallel to AD. The 29 here. So if I can prove A is 29, the job is done. But what is A? Angle A is 29. Why? You see angle A is being subtended by BC, DC, and DC is also subtending angle B. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah? No, you can't see it? Is that one? So angle A is 29 degrees. Why? Angles in the same segment. It is coming from arc C. Okay. So what do you notice? They are indeed the same. So we state the obvious. So this is how we answer this question. We say since angle D is equal to angle A, which is equal to 29. We're stating the obvious thing. You did my girl. Stop it, please. No? If you don't mind. Okay? So since these angles are equal, therefore EA is equal to ED. Why? Angles in same segment. And it's coming from arc? No, not angles in same segment. You see now what you guys did. So that is equal because sides opposite equal angles. Okay. See any confusion? Right, so let's look at number 4. Number 4, we are told that chord BD and DC, so the AD and BC chords AD, sorry, here's AD, and BC are produced. Produced means extended, okay, to meet at E. So AD and DB are produced, so extended to meet at E. Then we are told that AC and BD are drawn. B1, or angle B is 21 degrees, and angle E is 47 degrees. Calculate the size of angle A. So angle A is the same as angle B. Why? Angles in the same segment. There's your bow tie. Not so. So angle A is of course 21 degrees. Angles in same segment, and it's coming from arc BC. So there's 21 degrees. Then we want to calculate C1. Angle C1. So what do you notice here is that C1 is the same as angle D1. Angles in the same segment. But I don't have D1. What you also should see is that C1 is actually an exterior angle of triangle CAE. The exterior angles go the sum of the interior opposite. Yes, Michael?
So couldn't you like use angles at the center 2 times angle circumference?
For this one here? But are we given the center? There's no center. So you can't use angle at center twice angle circumference. But you guys see that this is your exterior. Remember that's your triangle here. And one of the lengths are extended. So the exterior angle is going to be the sum of the two interior opposites. Okay? All okay with that? You guys that didn't see it immediately. Okay, so angle C1 is equal to 21 degrees plus 47. Exterior angle of triangle. And the exterior angle of triangle CAE. Which gives me an answer of 68 degrees. Okay. See another question here.
No.
Is that all they asked you? Okay. I'm asking with regards to number 4. There's not another question. No. Okay, yes, Michael. Lucy? Yeah, who's up? You're still up? Okay. Any confusion? Any questions? No. So your homework is going to be exercise 9.4, numbers 1 to, 5 to, how many sums are here in this exercise? 11. 12. Okay, so you guys are going to do numbers 5 to 8, and then the following day you're going to do numbers 9 to 12. Okay. Stop here.